Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Beautiful image here up on my screen by Sarah Walton Photography. I'm just going to give you a really super quick showcase of how the LSP Newborn presets work within Evoto. The cool thing is with these presets, even though they're designed for baby, I've loaded into the back end presets that work simultaneously for mom, dad, siblings and grandparents. Now in the other tutorials you can see a complete rundown of how these presets work. For this beautiful image here, I'm just going to use the most simple preset of them all on the Lemon Sky editing set, the one that says Lemon Sky All. I'm going to click that and that's literally done. This is on a raw file, straight from camera, and you can see we've simultaneously edited baby, the background, dad and mum, all with different types of editing. Literally in one click, 1 second. So here we can see before and after. It even clicks the lens distortion. Now this is a heavy edit, you might not want to edit quite this heavily. But I think for this final kind of polished high-end parent portrait image, it's absolutely beautiful. That was 1 click. You can watch the other tutorials for the more in-depth presets that are included here that give you a completely manual edit, but just in click, click, click through. But for this, all we needed was Lemon Sky. Oh, super quick, super quick. I mean, 1 minute. And then you can just select and sync this across your gallery. Super quick. Thanks, Sarah, for the beautiful image, and I hope you guys love these presets in Evoto. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching.